Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reboot OPPO F29. Alright, so let's begin. So the process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So to reboot this device we need to open up the power menu first. To do it we need to tap the power and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. And now the power menu launched. Now grab this white ball using your finger and now put it into the restart. Now release your finger. Now the screen went black, as you can see, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. Also, you should perform a simple reboot from time to time, because during that process you close the processes that are running in the background, and also thanks to that you can boost the performance of your phone a little bit, and also you free up some RAM. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.